Good morning, my dear students. Today we will learn 10 new dictation words. So I'll write these words on board. You also copy this in your dictation copy. So open your dictation copy. Let's start. The first word is caution. Caution. What is the spelling? C-A-U-T-I-O-N. Caution. That is caution. What is the pronunciation? Say, students. Say. Very good. Caution. And spelling? C-A-U-T-I-O-N. Caution. Caution means when we take care from danger. When we take care ourselves to avoid any danger. Okay? That is called caution. In Bengali we say সাবধানতা. ঠিক আছে? When we take care ourselves to avoid danger. That is called caution. ঠিক আছে? In Bengali সাবধানতা. So the word is caution. C-A-U-T-I-O-N. Caution. Okay? Next word is ceremony. Ceremony. C-E-R-E-M-O-N-Y. C-E-R-E-M-O-N-Y. Ceremony means any occasion. Okay? Any occasion is called ceremony. Okay? So, what is the spelling of ceremony? Cere, C-E-R-E, ceremony, M-O-N-Y, ceremony. Okay? Next word is damage. 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 D-A-D-A-M-A-G-E. M-A-G-E. Damage. D-A-D-A-M-A-G-E. Mage. Damage. Damage means harm or loss. Harm or loss. Okay? So what is the spelling of damage? D-A-M-A-G-E. Damage. D-A-M-A-G-E. Damage. Okay? Understand? Very good. Next word is debate. Debate. D-E-B-A-T-E. Debate. D-E-B-A-T-E. Debate means a discussion on a particular topic. A discussion between two people or two group of people on a particular topic is called debate. Debate means one kind of discussion. You can say one kind of discussion is called debate. Okay? So, spelling is D-E-B-A-T-E. Debate. D-E-D-bate. B-A-T-E. Easy? Easy, students? Okay. Now, next word is decline. Decline. D-E-Decline. C-L-I-N-E. Decline. D-E-C-L-I-N-E. Decline. Decline means deny to do anything. Deny to do anything. I am declining as example. I declined to go to market. Okay? So decline means deny. Okay? So spelling is D-E-D-cline. C-L-I-N-E. Decline. Pronunciation is decline. And spelling D-E-D-cline. C-L-I-N-E. Decline. Next word is defend. Defend. D-E-F-E-N-D. D-E-F-E-N-D. Defend. Defend means protection. Protection is called defend. Means meaning of defend is protection. So spelling is D-E-D, fend, F-E-N-D, defend. Next, defeat, defeat, D-E-F-E-A-T, defeat. Defeat means ruin. Defeat means ruin. As example, I have defeated in the chess game. I have defeated in the chess game. Understand, students? Defeat means ruin or destruction. Okay? Defeat. So spelling is D-E-D, fit, F-E-A-T, defeat. Next, demand. Demand. Demand means want. Want. Demand means want. So demand. D-E-D, man. M-A-N-D. Demand. Next word is delicious. Delicious. D-E-D, L-I-E-C-S. C-I-C-S. O-U-S. Okay. D-E-D, D-E-D, L-I-E-C, C-I-C-S-O-U-S. Us. Spell like this, okay? Break this word in syllables. Break this word in part by part. First spell D, day, D-E-D, then spell Li, L-I-E, then C, C-I-C, and at last us, O-U-S, us, delicious. Okay, I am saying the word again, delicious. Spelling D-E-D, L-I-E, C-I-C, us, O-U-S, us, delicious. Delicious means, who know what is the meaning of delicious? Students, who know the meaning? Delicious means tasty, tasty. Okay? That is called delicious. Okay. And the last word is determine. Determine. Number 10. I am writing here. Determine. D-E-D, tar. T-E-R, tar. Mine. M-I-N-E. Determine. D-E-D, T-E-R, tar. Mine. M-I-N-E. Determine. Determine means a strong wish to do any work. A strong wish to do any work is called determine. D-E-T-E-R, tar. M-I-N-E. As example, I have determined to work hard for my exam. Hope you have understand, students, what is the meaning of the word determined. So determined means a strong wish to do any work is called determined. Spelling D-E-D, tar, T-E-R, tar, mine, M-I-N-E, determined. So students, these are all those 10 dictation words which you have to memorize. I am saying the words again. I am saying the pronunciation. You listen to me carefully and check whether you have write the right spelling or wrong spelling. Just check your dictation copy and listen to me carefully. So the first word is caution. Caution. C-A-U-T-I-O-N. Caution. Okay. Next, ceremony. Ceremony. C-E-C-R-E-A, money. M-O-N-Y. Ceremony. Next, damage. D-A-M-A-G-E. M-A-G-E. Damage. Next, debate. What is this? Say, debate. D-E-B-A-T-E. Debate. Next, decline. Decline. D-E-D, cline. C-L-I-N-E. decline. Understand? Fine. Next, defend. Defend. D-E-D, fend. F-E-N-D. Defend. Seventh word is defeat. D-E-F-E-A-T. Defeat. D-E-D, fit. F-E-A-T. Defeat. Next, demand. D-E-D, mand. M-A-N-D. Demand. Next, delicious. Delicious. What is the spelling? D-E-D, L-I-E, C-C-I-C, S-O-E-S. Us. Delicious. Students, spell like this, okay? Like me. Delicious. D-E-D-L-I-E, C-I-C, S-O-U-S. Delicious. And the last word is determine. Determine. D-E-D, tar. T-E-R, tar, mine. M-I-N-E. Determine. So students, understand? Very good. So now you have to memorize the words. Okay? So write these words, the spelling of these words again and again, so that you can memorize the words easily. Okay? Next day I'll dictate some of those words which I have taught today. So students, that's for today. Stay safe, stay blessed, and bye bye. Thank you.